Hello everyone, hope you are doing wonderful on your wellness journey. Thank you so much for being a part of Dr. Homemaker. Today in this video, we will discuss about this wonderful food Idli and Dosa, which is no doubt a very healthy food option that can be had on our weight loss journey and wellness journey. But this is not definitely the fermented food which is good for our gut. This is lighter on digestion. It's fermented, no doubt. It's lighter on digestion and it has a lot of nutrition, but it's not a fermented food. Let's see how we make idli and dosa. We take rice and dal and then we grind it to a smooth paste, and it's allowed for fermentation overnight, or if not overnight then at least for about 8 to 10 hours. See, this is the fermented batter and it hosts millions and millions of good gut bacteria. Then what we do, we cook this bacteria on the tawa, and most of this bacteria gets killed here upon cooking. So it seems like a joke, but it's true. On the other hand, we have this wonderful, powerful probiotic Millet Ambali, fermented Millet Ambali, which I came to know from Dr. Khadarwali, who is the millet man of India. Although this kind of fermented millet is prepared in South India since ages, but it has surfaced only when Dr. Khadarwali worked on its disease reversal properties. So this is fermented millet which is prepared from any of the 5 positive grains of Dr. Khadarwali. I have already shown so many videos how to prepare this. You can fix your gut health, you can cure so many diseases by having this ambali, because when ambali is prepared, it is not cooked further. So ambali is taken as a fermented food, while as idli and dosa is prepared no doubt from the fermented batter, but that is not a fermented food. Idli and dosa is the fermented batter which is either steamed or cooked. This millet ambali or positive millet ambali or kanji, whatever name you call it with, is the real probiotic which reaches your gut only and only when you keep it watery, because this probiotic has another challenge to face inside our stomach, and that is stomach acidity. Our stomach is highly acidic, and the second step which saves this bacteria from being killed by the stomach acidity is that you keep it watery. First step can be do not add more salt, second step can be do not cook it further, and third step can be keep it runny, watery, so that it reaches your gut to cure your microbial imbalance, nutritional deficiencies, and with that you will be able to reverse most of your diseases. Diabetes reversal is just the side effect of taking ambali daily. It will balance your weight. It will not only help you in weight loss, but it can also help you in weight gain. So millet ambali is the real fermented food which should be taken to increase the population of good gut bacteria in our intestines. These bacteria help us in the assimilation of our food, and if we keep a good symbiotic relationship with these bacteria, increasing the population, it will help us in regaining our health. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like my content, do consider subscribing to the channel and liking and sharing.